Okay, this is going to be very funny because normally I can do my kitchen very well, but this is really disgusting after what Kitty made. So this is how I'm cleaning this. I have no idea how to clean this. I know how to clean the kitchen and the floor and all of the other things, but this, I just don't know. It's really so disgusting to see all of this, vomit around, that I just don't know how to do it. So I just put in some liquid. I'm not doing like the first part. I put some niacin in there, very ecological, but now I'm just doing the average normal person cleaning products doing. This is some kind of soda, little things are in. Then I'm going to put some more here, and then I'm going to use something I have here. Like this was really the biological one, but I'm going to mix it with the normal product for cleaning, because you see all of these things. This is Kitty's home for night protection, or when it's raining she likes to be here. Just don't know how to do it, so I'm just doing what I can. Also, please, parents and brothers and sisters and whoever is watching this, teach your children all of the things in life, because it's very funny. When I was at the school, my parents didn't really motivate art or cleaning, but if I will have motivation for a lot of things, I could do this much better now. I just have to wait a little bit and I will see how I clean it. I think I'll get a brush because there is some vomit in between the woods, which is not nice either. You can see some sticky things there in, so I have to work this away and learn your children to do everything in life, because everything is important. Art, cleaning, history, mathematics, literature. But I think the basis of all is how to deal with other people. Your social skills are the basis of everything. Without that you cannot do anything. So good luck. If you're a parent or you're just like me, never had this cleaning training, because when I was cleaning, my mom just said, this is not your task, but this is my task now. It's daily task, daily life. It's life, right?